Hello and welcome to the Visibility on Demand demo. I'm just going to give a quick run through so that you can understand what it is and how it works. First, for those who don't know me, I'm an integrative health practitioner who's been running a successful online practice since 2012. I built my own website long before the days of drag and drop builders, and my company, MP Integrative Health, recently won a global recognition award for advancements in science-based natural healing, including the use of AI. When Google Ads stopped converting for many small businesses due to bot traffic and algorithm changes, I needed to develop a system that would increase my visibility without sacrificing professionalism, time, or my unique voice. So I created Visibility on Demand. It's a completely automated content and distribution workflow, meaning that you input your data, you get full control over what kind of content you want the AI to create, what kind of images and structure you want it to use. You get to fully customize your schedule so it can post once a week, 3 times a week, every day if you would like. You get the AI to create the content, the custom images, testimonial cards, and you can fully customize this in terms of language, how the look and feel is, your voice, your specific styles, all of it. You have complete control. And then this automatically gets posted to your website, including SEO optimization. So that's search engine optimization, and your email list if you choose. So all of these are optional. If you don't have an email list or you don't have some social media accounts, you can delete those really easily. There's instructions on how to do that. So if you do have an email list, it'll automatically send to your email list a summary of your new article and a link back to your website. And then of course to all of your social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And that includes the hashtags. It includes a link back to the article. And then it all gets tracked and loops back to the beginning so that it goes through the whole thing again on a new row of your input with new content, new image, and whatever you want. So to give you an example of what this actually looks like, you can go to meganpennington.com/blog. This is my personal website, and I've been running this automated content workflow for a few weeks now. And you can see that all of these were automatically generated. So you can see that I've alternated it between a testimonial and a topic that I want my readers to know about. You can see that there's some text here for the social media. You can see that you can change what that looks like. You can see that the article itself, if we click here, you can see that the article itself has the testimonial here. It's well formatted. It's quite thorough. It's accurate. I've made sure that all of it is accurate. And just so you know, I have a very niche product which uses a food sensitivity test. And so the information has to be very accurate, and it is. And then at the end, it's anchored text that goes to whatever URL you want. So this is very important for traffic and Google recognition, because it needs all of this in order to map your website and qualify you basically as authority in your niche. And just to give you an example of another website, so you can see here that these are in French, so you can customize the language. You can see that their testimonial card looks different because they wanted something that looks more like landscaper than a health practitioner. So you can customize all of that. And then, of course, this is what it would look like on Facebook. You see that there's a custom Facebook style summary along with hashtags and a link back to the actual article. On Pinterest, you have the images mostly and a very short summary, because that's the style of Pinterest. For Instagram, you have a longer summary, a very Instagram style summary, along with different types of hashtags that are more clickable on on Instagram. And in LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is more professional, it's going to give a more professional style summary and different types of hashtags. And then you have the link back to the article. And it creates a very simple email so that it just gives a summary and a link to the article to let your followers know by email that you have a new content that's been posted and to go check it out. And when you buy, you get instant access to a full video setup. So this leads you step by step through everything, including AI prompts to use to customize it to your business in seconds. This really doesn't take a lot of time. It's really designed so that you can have AI help you create the input sheet and everything that goes along with the system in less than an hour. So it's a very complete setup, and once you've set this up and it's running, you never have to purchase anything again. There's no subscription, no monthly cost. The only thing is the API, which costs cents, like literally cents, 20 cents per run. So at a few times a week, it's like $2 per month. You get a written document as well, which is 28 pages long. And so you get content ideas, you get full AI prompts that make it super easy to customize it to your business. You have all the information for each module so that you can completely customize it to you and so that it makes it very easy to set up. We also have an affiliate program, and the registration link is on the main page where you can earn 20% commission if you share. So if you have any questions at all, I'm really happy to help. You can email me info@meganpennington.com and I'll be happy to answer your questions.